Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you how to install AMIIBOs through your Flipper Zero. So first I want you to look up Flipper Zero NFC AMIIBO. You should see this, the second result. You should see all these AMIIBOs, those are the ones that you want. Download the zip file. Once it is downloaded, you need to open your File Explorer. You should see something that says this right here. So that says this right here. You want to extract it. I take it over. So it says Flipper AMIIBO main. You will need to extract that. So you just want to extract that. It might take a little bit because it has to see all the items. And it should be doing this. And now everything should be extracted into this. Now what you need to do is you need to connect your Flipper Zero to your computer or laptop, whatever you have. As soon as it's connected, you want to go to the kind of paper, SD card. Now I recommend putting it in NFC. Where I have it in, or you can make a folder called custom plugins. So now you want to take this, you want to implement it. So you want to click on this. Don't put it in there actually. Put it in NFC and hold it in. Drop it in there. It may take a little bit. And once that's all ready, you should then have AMIIBOs in NFC or wherever you put them. NFC, and you should have all these. So I'm going to show you Legend of Zelda. They have all these ones, like this one, like so, Link's Awakening, Breath of the Wild. University, they also have Kirby, so they've Kingdidi, Kirby, Meta Knight, Wildy, all these ones. Animal Crossing, they also have the cards for them, all of that. And that's how you install the AMIIBOs for the NFC. Thank you for watching.